Hi, my name's Steve and I'm with Wired PR News. We're back again with Charlie Seyffer, an air filtration expert with Camfil USA, the global leader in clean air solutions, to continue our series of talks about unique testing tools that Camfil offers to customers and potential customers to help them make the right air filtration choices. Today we're going to talk about in-situ testing and how this method provides details critical to selecting the optimal air filter for specific applications with the lowest total cost of ownership. Hi Charlie, how are you doing today?
Hello Steve, how are you?
Excellent, thank you. Charlie, what is Camfil's in-situ testing all about?
Well, basically in situ is Latin for in place. In situ filter testing means testing the air filtration in the actual conditions that the user will be applying them in. The air filter industry is unique that its end product is something that the user cannot see, clean air. In fact, if the air filters are not working, the user still can't see the contamination in the air because most of the damaging particles are submicron in size. The human eye can only see down to 10 microns, a boulder when considering the millions of airborne particles that are present in the air that are actually smaller. There are actually two formal test procedures, one authored by the American Society of Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Engineers, and one by the International Standards Organization. In substance, they are identical. Evaluation should always be done using a procedure as defined by cognizant authorities or industry experts, as they have no bias as to the results. In this fashion, all defined procedures, equipment parameters, etc., that are defined by the industry experts are within that standard. The test is run by one of our degreed engineers and can take any part of a day or even days, depending upon the size of the facility.
That's terrific, and that objectivity is really important. Charlie, how does the in-situ testing help filter users differentiate manufacturers' claims and make intelligent decisions as to what products best meet their needs?
Well, the end user fully participates in the test, so it's not something that's done in some sort of off-site laboratory where they don't see what's going on. But the important thing is that in-situs can expose in front of the user marketing claims, can show differences between media, air filter configurations, the differences in performance that are involved there. As I stated before, purchasing decisions relating to clean air are difficult. In-situs alleviate some of that stress. We all remember the air cleaner that used to be sold on those Sunday morning infomercials. They were sued, they're out of business because they really didn't work. Once a test has been done at the facility, it is not necessary to repeat. The user learns about media performance, air filter configuration, and other parameters that will make them a better purchaser for years to come.
That's terrific. Can in-situ testing be performed anywhere?
Yes, it can. Well, actually, Camfil performs these tests globally, from Australia to Germany, in the U.S., Puerto Rico, California, all sorts of different locations and all sorts of different climates.
Excellent. And what type of data does the test provide, and how is it used by the end user of the facility?
Particle size versus efficiency. How effective will the air filters being tested for the removal of the offending contaminant be? That's really what the end user is interested in. There's a heck of a difference between tobacco smoke and paper dust and the filters that have to remove them. Paper dust is easily removed, but when protecting people, submicron efficiency is the most important. Respirable particles are those that can enter deepest into the lungs and cause damage. The in-situ results will inform the end user of the most efficient air filters to protect the building's most valuable commodity, typically people. And in other cases, there's processes such as clean rooms and so on that even have higher parameters based around their required air quality.
Right, and honestly, when you're protecting a clean room, ultimately you're protecting people as well down the road when they go to use those products. So that's critical as well.
Absolutely.
How can someone arrange for in-situ testing at their facility?
It's easy, by contacting your local Camfil distributor. They can be found on our website. Just really look for the closest location to your site and give them a call. Our websites are www.camfil.com, or you can go directly to the U.S. site at www.camfil.us.
Excellent. Well, I think that's all we need to cover today. So I think I want to thank you all for participating, and we look forward to seeing you at our next Hangout when we cover more essential air filtration topics.
Thank you, Steve.
Thanks so much, Charlie.